Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're gonna show you this 310 RL Brookstone 2021. It's a shorty, about 36 feet. Really nice ambiance to it. We'll show you more here. Let's go inside. All right, folks, here we are. We're inside this Brookstone. It's beautiful. As you can see, the solid tops, the nice pantry, big fridge, more counter space around the oven, stove. You got big microwave. Then over there, you can see the big TV. Everything is nice and big in here. You can reach all the cabinets. Fireplace to die for. It's pretty cool. Then you have a nice couch. I like this interior color. And above the couch, of course, you got the big window. And then we have lots of storage on top also, ceiling fan. Then you got these power recliners, pretty nice. I like the scheme, the colors, right? Then you have a dinette, 4 chairs. I like this better than the booth. This way, big guy, little guy, what have you, can fit on the dinette. As we go into the upstairs, of course, there's the bathroom. Nice shower in there, and a big sink. This sink in the bathroom is a little bit bigger than usual. And then you go in there, the big, king size bed. Nice storage. Lots of storage in this coach with a TV already in it. Closet, almost a walk-in closet. Washer and dryer hookup. I mean, you name it, this thing got it. Let's go outside and show you more features. All right, folks, here we are. We're outside Brookstone. Of course, you can't help but to see this big, huge basement. And it is a basement. And look at them slide toppers already on it. You got 2 awnings just in case you have a tree or something in the way. This way you can enjoy the awnings there. Nice sturdy steps, alloy wheels, auto power. I mean, slides galore. Again, you got one hub, for your black and gray, and all the connections, cables for if you are at an RV park, what have you. Again, folks, there's a lot of information available, especially on the ASDL that is in the walls that Brookstones use. All right, folks, again, this is the Brookstone. There's a lot of information available. Please give me a call. My name is Dib, 541-515-1237. Thank you.